Hello guys, welcome back to Coding. So guys, I hope you all are taking care of yourself and understanding each and every concept which I'm telling you each and every video. So last time what we have started the network playlist. So in today's lesson we are going to continue that, understand more things about the network. So in this lesson what we are going to discuss what is ARPANET, what is internet, how does the internet works, what do we mean by server, what are different types of server, what do we mean by a node. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Already on my YouTube channel, I have posted content regarding C, C++, Java, Python, short videos that are for Excel things and already completed 20 episodes in that. Do check that out also, and soon coming a new episode for you that is regarding Python. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Understand that how does this whole internet works. The very first part, that is ARPANET. So now what is this ARPANET? So all of the network that we are using today. Now where has this been actually framed, incorporated from, or the evaluation of networking that took place? So the evaluation of the network started back in 1969 by the development of the very first network, that is the ARPANET. So this is the very first network that started using and which is known as ARPANET. So basically the seeds of this today's internet were planted in 1969 when US Department of Defense sponsored a project named ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Basically the goal of this was to connect computers at different universities and the US Defense. So soon the engineers, students and researchers were part of the system and began exchanging data and messages with each other. So basically the ARPANET started with a handful of computers but it expanded rapidly. So with another federal agency, the National Science Foundation created a new specialty called NSFNET, which are further more capable than ARPANET. So basically this is basic when we are talking about ARPANET. As you can see in the picture also, from the 1969 the ARPANET was started. Then in 1980s it came as NSFNet, and in 1990s finally we have the network that we call as the internet, which just on a click of a tab you use everything. To understand that what do we mean by internet. So whenever I'm talking about internet basically means international network. So now as we talked that the very first network that was created was ARPANET. So what is the internet? Basically internet is a worldwide network of computers network. So basically when I'm talking about definition of internet is a worldwide network computer network that evolved from the very first network, that is ARPANET. So basically the question could be asked, the definition of ARPANET, that what is ARPANET, the full form of ARPANET. The internet is made up of many networks, each run by different companies and interconnected at all pairing points. Now we have different companies that provide us internet that are basically known as ISPs. ISPs are internet service providers. It is an interconnection of large and small networks around the globe. The common use of internet standards allows users to connect to any network and communicate with users of any other network. So basically, as we all know, we are all using internet. Maybe the person on any other network will having a different ISP, that is a service provider. We can connect with different kinds of network sitting at just any single place. Now the internet, how does it work and what are the basic protocols that are involved? We are going to learn that, but what is the TCP protocol and what is the IP protocol and how does the internet actually work. Now the first thing is that how does the internet basically work. So whenever the most computers are connected directly to the internet, they are connected through smaller network, which in turn are connected through gateways or the internet backbone. So now what do we mean by gateway? A gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks. Means it will be a device that will be connected dissimilar types of networks. Means as we are someone using a Idea service provider and someone using a say Airtel service provider. So they are both different networks. So the gateway will connect all these different dissimilar networks. Then a backbone. A backbone is a central interconnecting structure that connects one or more networks, just like the trunk of a tree. Basically the trunk of the tree has different kinds of branches, so all the branches are into a single tree. Similarly, what the backbone will do, it will just connect different kinds of network. As you can see on the screen also, here's a backbone network with different gateways. The networks are connected and that gateway is attached to that desired backbone network. So this is the way how does the internet work. Now how the message is from one place to the another place is transferred, it involves some steps into that. Now comes the part that how one message from the sender is delivered to the destination, that is the receiver. That how this whole process works and what is the steps that are involved in it. Basically it is the internet function that will perform the each step that is how the message will be printed. Suppose I have written a message hi, then how this hi message will be provided to the receiver. So first of all, what is the first step? At the source computer, the message or the file or the document, anything whatever I want to send, is divided into small parts. So these small parts are called as packets. A packet generally contains some information, so each packet will be containing some information. Second step will, each packet is given a number serial wise, 1, 2, 3. Suppose say, let's say a scenario, I have written a text, say message. So the message is a whole of the data. Now what it will do, it will divide this whole message into some packet. Suppose M in one packet, S, then A, then G, then E. So basically it has converted whole of the text into 7 packets. So now it will give it the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accordingly. Now after that, what is done, all these packets are sent to the address of the destination computer. Now all this message thing will be sent to the destination computer. So the destination computer receives the packet in random number. Now it will not receive the packet like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will basically receive like 7 first, then 6 first, or maybe 5 first. Means accordingly it will receive all the packets. In case one packet is missing, so it will request this request it again for that packet. So once the packet are reassembled in the order of the number and the original file is obtained, it is received to the sender. Now what it will do, it will just send whole of the packets to the sender. Now the packets will be reassembled with the help of protocols, and then with the help of protocol the sender will receive that message, and then accordingly the message that was sent, the message keyword, will be presented to the receiver. Now as I told you that the packets will be reassembled, the message has been delivered to the user. Now how are these packets being reassembled, and what do we mean by a protocol? So whenever I want to perform some communication, there are a set of protocols. Basically a protocol means rules and regulation. So the internet uses two protocols, that is the TCP and the IP protocol. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP stands for Internet Protocol. So a TCP protocol is a part responsible for dividing the message into packet. So the very first step, that was dividing the message into different packets, that is the part of the TCP protocol. TCP is also responsible for resembling the received packet. Means at the very first part, the task that is to be done to divide them into packets, and at the end to reassemble those packets. All is to be done with the help of TCP protocol. Now what does the IP protocol do? The IP protocol is part for handling the address of destination computer, so that each packet is routed to the proper destination. Now what will the IP, like we always say that everything that is tracked is with your IP address. So that is the purpose of internet protocol, that it will handle all the address of the destination computers to wherever the each of the packet is to be sent at the proper destination. So we are going to understand about that, what do we the IP protocol do and what does the TCP protocol do, just in the functioning of internet functioning. We will be understanding more clearly that what is the difference between TCP, what is IP, and the different kinds of protocol further in the further lesson. Next comes some terminologies that also we use in a network, and what are places does it take. So there's a terminology that is the interspace. Now basically what is the interspace? Interspace is a client server software program that allows multiple users to communicate online via real-time audio, video and text chat in dynamic 3D environments. Interface provides the most advanced form of communication available on the internet. So basically that is the purpose of interspace. Next we have some more elementary terminology of network, that is nodes and a server. Now what do I mean by a node? The term node refers to the computer that are attached to a network and are seeking to share resources of the network. If there are no nodes, there could be no network at all. Means there is a necessity of nodes to be present. If there will be no nodes, there will be no network. Basically we called a node as workstation also. As in the previous case when I told you that how does internet work, there you could have seen a diagram with some circles that are called as nodes. Basically the workstation. If we do not have any workstation, the network will not work at all. Next thing that we have is the server. On very small networks, sometimes all shareable stuff like file, data, software, etc. is stored on a server. A network can have more than server. Each server has a unique name on the network, and all the users of that network identify the server by its unique name. So now there are different types of servers. So basically there are two types of servers, non-dedicated and dedicated. So when I'm talking about non-dedicated, on small networks a workstation can double up a server is known as non-dedicated server. It is not completely dedicated to the course of serving. Such servers can follow the facility to resource sharing among workstation on a smaller scale. When I need on a smaller scale, so which type of network server I will be used, that is called non-dedicated server. The small network using such servers are also sometimes called as peer-to-peer network. Means just one connecting to the another, that is called as a peer-to-peer network. Then I have the dedicated servers. When I want bigger installation, server jobs, and only job is for workstation for accessing data, software and hardware sources, that is a double up of the function that is called as dedicated network. So dedicated network is also sometimes called as master slave network. Means there is a master and there is a slave, and accordingly this network scenario will work, and we have a common thing. So for example, say they are exclusively for file related information, there will be having a file server, printer server and the modern server. So basically based upon file server, they all were going to work. There will be a single master and different slaves of that. So that is called as a dedicated server. The other part that we take in a network part is that is the network interface unit. Now when I'm talking about a network interface unit, a network interface unit is an interpreter that has helped establish communication between the server and the workstation. Mean between the node and the server, everything that has to be done is with the help of a network interface unit, that is NIU. Then we have the MAC address. The MAC address refers to the physical address assigned by NIC manufacturer. Now we have a network interface unit. So now they have provided us with the MAC address. So that address refers to the physical address of the NIC manufacturer. So accordingly, with these all relationship, we perform things within a network, and this way does the internet works and also the networks. So guys, I hope you must be clear about what do we. So guys, I hope you must be clear about what do we mean by ARPANET. How does the internet work, and from where did the evaluation of all of this internet came? So do let me know in the comment section what is the full form of ARPANET, and also do let me know which was the very first network that came into existence before internet. So guys, if you like the content that I post, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling and take care, and do let me know in the comment section what other videos you want. Thank you so much for